And welcome back. In this TVJ Sports follow-up story, Munro College athlete Javontae Smith was granted an emergency interview by the U.S. Embassy on Wednesday following a TVJ Sports story on Sunday that he was denied a U.S. visa to attend the Penn Relays this week in the USA. But the national junior representative is still without a U.S. visa. More in this report. Following the airing of a story by TVJ Sports on Sunday, April 19, in which top Munro College shot put and discus thrower Javontae Smith was denied a U.S. visa to attend the Penn Relays in the USA, the U.S. Embassy subsequently granted Smith an expedited interview on Wednesday morning. However, the national junior representative was once again denied a non-immigrant visa to attend the Relay Carnival in Philadelphia, which begins on Thursday, April 23. Smith was again denied the visa on the basis of the filing process by his father for him to live in the USA. The filing, which began before Smith even started high school, was abandoned by his father for personal reasons. TVJ Sports understands that Smith was told by the U.S. Embassy on Wednesday that they had been unable to dialogue with his father and that the 17-year-old did not have enough ties to Jamaica to be granted the visa. A disappointed Smith declined to speak with the TVJ Sports afterwards. Smith, who is hoping to represent Jamaica at the World Under-20 Track and Field Championships this summer, will continue his quest to gain the necessary paperwork to enter the United States. Smith, who won the Class 1 Boys Shot Put at the ISA Boys and Girls Championships in March, is the highest-ranked Jamaican junior on the World Under-20 list at number 19. The World Under Championships will be held from August 5 to 9 in Eugene, Oregon in the USA.